Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss indefinite integral types. We discussed in the previous sessions different types. Now we are going to discuss the evaluation of the integral of the type integral a cos x plus b sin x divided by c cos x plus d sin x into dx. In this video, the general method and shortcut method for this type of questions we will discuss now. See, first, what is the general method to evaluate this type of problems in integration, and which is very important in the boards, that is in CBSE or intermediate Telangana or Andhra. These type of problems are very important. To evaluate these type of problems, we have an important working rule. What is that working rule? A cos x plus b sin x is numerator and c cos x plus d sin x is denominator. So, in that working rule, numerator equal to numerator, NR means numerator, is equal to capital A into d by dx of denominator. Here dr represents denominator plus capital B into denominator. This is the working rule to evaluate these type of problems. So numerator equal to capital A into d by dx of denominator plus B into denominator. After applying this working rule, by equating like coefficients on both sides and simplifying, solve for A and B. After getting the values of A comma B, substitute in the numerator. After that, split into two integrals and then integrate by using related formulas of integration. This is the procedure. We will take one example based on this type of questions. Let us have a discussion. For example, evaluate integral 9 cos x minus sin x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. So, as usual, the procedure, the working rule says that numerator equal to, this is the working rule, numerator is equal to capital A into d by dx of denominator plus capital B into denominator. So now the respective values of numerator and denominator substitute in this numerator. That means 9 cos x minus sin x, which is equal to capital A into d by dx of denominator 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus capital B into denominator 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Now 9 cos x minus sin x, capital A into, keep bracket, 4 constant you can take outside of d by dx, d by dx of sin x, cos x, so it will become 4 into cos x. 5 also constant you can take outside, d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, so minus 5 into sin x plus capital B into, there is no operation here, d by dx, you can write like this only, 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. You put that equation number 1. After getting the equation 1, comparing like coefficients on both sides. First what we have to do that 9 cos x minus sin x. Here actual multiplication we have to do that. 4a into cos x minus 5a into sin x plus 4b into sin x plus 5b into cos x. Now like terms means cos x terms one side and sin x terms. So here 9 into cos x minus sin x, which is equal to, here cos is there no first, here also wherever cos terms are there take common cos x. Cos x if we take common from first and last term, we will get cos x into 4a plus 5b. Next from second and third terms we will take common sin x. If we take common sin x from second and third terms, minus 5a plus 4b. Now comparing like coefficients, that means cos x and sin x coefficients on both sides. So first I am comparing cos x coefficients. Cos x arrow mark is giving meaning is we are comparing cos x coefficients on both sides. Here cos x coefficient is 9, which is equal to, here cos x coefficient is 4a plus 5b. You keep that equation number 2. Equation 1 already we kept there. Next comparing sin coefficients, sin x coefficients. Here sin x coefficient is minus 1, which is equal to sin x coefficient is minus 5a plus 4b. Equation number 3. After that solving these two equations, either cross multiplication method or elimination method, you will get a and b values. Now solving two and 3. Equation 2 multiplying by, here I am doing that elimination method. Whatever the method you can approach, that is your wish. If solving equation is different methods are there. Whichever the method is easy for you, that you can follow. 2 into equation 2 multiplying by 5 and equation 3 multiplying by 4 to eliminate a value from these two equations. Equation 2 into 5, that implies that 45, 5 into 9. Which is equal to 5 into 4, 20a, 5 into 5b, 25b. Next, equation 3 multiplying by 4, minus 4, equal to minus 20a, plus 16b. Now, here minus 28 plus 20a is there, therefore we are adding both the equations. So plus 20a minus 20a get cancelled. 45 minus 4, 41, which is equal to 25b plus 16b, 41b. That implies 41b equal to 41. That implies that b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 either in second equation or third equation if you substitute. B is equal to 1. Substitute in equation 2, 9 equal to 4a plus 5 into b value is 1. 5 we can take this side, 9 minus 5 equal to 4a. That implies that 4a equal to 4, a is equal to 1. So now a comma b values substitute in equation 1. A equal to 1 comma b equal to 1, substitute in equation 1, we will write the numerator value. Therefore the numerator 9 cos x minus 5 sin x, only sin x, not 5 sin x, only sin x, which is equal to, in place of a, 1 into key bracket 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus b value is also 1, keep bracket, 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. This is the numerator value. This numerator value you have to substitute in the given integral. Even equation 1 also put it in box after differentiation step is equation 1. You remember that. Now this value we are going to substitute in the numerator and then integrate. Now this numerator value substitute in the given integral, it will becomes integral, in place of numerator 9 cos x minus sin x, we can write as 1 into 4 cos x minus sin x 5 sin x plus 1 into 4 sin x plus 5 cos x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. Now split into two integrals, which is equal to integral, one constant we take outside, it will becomes 4 cos x minus 5 sin x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx plus 1 into 1, we can take outside 1 only. So 4 sin x plus 5 cos x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. Anyway, in the second integral, both the functions are same, numerator and denominator, we can cancel it. And come to the first integral. Let f of x is equal to 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Then differentiate f dash of x. Then f dash of x is equal to 4 into cos x. Sin x derivative is cos x plus cos x derivative is minus sin x. So minus 5 sin x. So the first integral will become, this is f dash of x, this is f of x only, no? So here integral f dash of x divided by f of x into dx plus integral dx. We know that formula. Integral f dash of x by f of x into dx equal to what? In previous sessions we discussed that integral f dash of x divided by f of x into dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. So here in the first integral we are going to get that log mod f of x plus integral dx is x plus c. In place of f of x, whatever the value is there, you can substitute. So log mod 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus x plus c. Therefore, conclusion step. Integral 9 cos x minus sin x divided by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx is equal to log mod 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus x plus c. See that, dear students, till now we got a general method answer, no? For the same question, we are going to discuss about the shortcut method for this problem. See how we are going to apply that shortcut formula. Integral a cos x plus b sin x divided by c cos x plus d sin x into dx, which is equal to. So how to remember easily this side answer? Observe carefully. Whenever you are going to apply shortcut formula, you need to keep the given integral. The first term in numerator and denominator should be in terms of cos. Then only this formula will be applicable. So a cos x plus b sin x by d sin x plus c cos x is there. You cannot write this formula. You have to make it into this form. A plus b, b plus a, both are same. But you have to keep in that form. Then only you can apply the formula. So now keep bracket. A into c, multiply these two. A into c, that you have to write in the numerator, plus here sin x coefficients also you have to multiply and add it, bd, divide it by sin x and cos x denominator coefficient, sum of the squares of coefficient of sin x and cos x in the denominator. So c square plus d square into x. This is the first term we are getting. So plus, after that what you have to do? Cos x sin x is not there, suppose. A, B, C, D is there. It is looking like 2 by 2 matrix. A, B, C, D. What is the determinant of A, B, C, D 2 by 2 matrix? AD minus BC only, no? That you have to write in the numerator in the second bracket. AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Divided by, denominator will be same like first term, c square plus d square into log mod denominator, whatever the denominator is there, log mod denominator, c cos x plus d sin x. After that plus k, already c is there means plus k we are writing. This is the shortcut formula to evaluate these type of problems. For this question only we will verify whether it is going to correct or not. First you have to keep this equation, this given integral in this form or not. If you observe the denominator is here, sin x term is there, but we want here according to the shortcut formula cos x should be there. Therefore integral 9 cos x minus sin x divided by 5 cos x plus 4 sin x. Like this you have to write it. A value 9, B value minus 1, C value 5, D value 4. Substitute in this respective places. AC 9 into 5, 45. BD minus 1 into 4, minus 4 divided by 5 square 25, 4 square 16, 25 plus 16, 41. Otherwise you write it step, no problem, one step. 25 plus 16 into x plus AD minus BC, 9 4s are 36 minus BC, minus of minus 5 plus 5 divided by 25 plus 16 into log mod denominator. What is the denominator? 5 cos x plus 4 sin x. After that plus k. 45 minus 4, 41. 25 plus 16, 41. 41 get cancelled. Plus here also 41 by 41. Log mod 5 cos x plus 4 sin x plus k. Therefore we can write it as x plus log mod 5 cos x plus 4 sin x plus k. So 9 cos x minus sin x by integral 5 cos x plus 4 sin x dx is equal to x plus log of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus ck. Here c I wrote, whatever it is, constant is not the criteria. Whether we are getting same answer or not. This is the way you have to apply that shortcut formula for this question. But in IPE, better to the first method, that is the best method. Why? Because it is having that 7 marks question. And moreover, you have to practice at home that same type of category question. Integral, that homework question, you do it. If you are not able to get it, you can write to my inbox. I will tell that. 2 cos x plus 3 sin x divided by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x into dx. Even if we apply the shortcut formula also, we will get it answer. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Thank you very much.